Welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of Bitcoin, the first and most well-known cryptocurrency. Bitcoin was created in 2009 by an anonymous person or group known as Satoshi Nakamoto. It was designed as a decentralized digital currency. But what does decentralized mean? Unlike traditional currencies, Bitcoin isn't controlled by any government or central authority. Instead, it relies on a technology called blockchain, a public ledger where all transactions are recorded securely. Transactions are verified by a network of computers, often referred to as miners. They solve complex mathematical problems to confirm transactions. One of Bitcoin's defining features is its limited supply. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins in existence. Bitcoin can be used for various purposes: buying goods and services, sending money across borders, or as an investment. However, it's important to note that its price can be highly volatile, influenced by market demand, news, and global economic factors. While transactions are transparent and recorded on the blockchain, users' identities remain pseudonymous, adding a layer of privacy. In summary, Bitcoin is more than just digital money. It represents a shift in how we think about currency, trust, and financial systems. Thanks for joining us. If you want to learn more about Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more insightful content.